Alrighty, on our way down to Hoopii Falls. Just got on the trail a few minutes ago and you got some good shots. And the roosters are chirping. Alrighty, just got to the falls. View's pretty good. No one's here, so I think we're gonna get the drone up. So yeah. Just got done flying the drone. Waterfall was pretty amazing. And yeah, we're gonna get over to the second falls now. So we just got to the river, Hoopii Falls. Top falls is up there, lower falls is down there. This canyon is pretty sweet, so we're gonna get some drone shots. Alright, just got done flying the drone. This spot was pretty cool, but I think I'm going to head to the lower falls downstream. And it might be packed, so I might not be able to use the drone, but hopefully I'll be able to get some bangers. Alrighty, just started hiking. I found this banyan tree, and I think I'm going to try to get some pictures of it, because the lighting's good and the tree is just... Alrighty, we did it. We got to the bottom of the falls, and surprisingly, this is the best part. No one is here. Absolutely no one is at this falls, which is quite incredible, because I was here before and packed. So yeah, let's get some bangers. Normally I wouldn't fly the drone, because I don't want to, disturb people, but no one's here, and DJI or anyone else didn't say you can't fly it here, so let's give it a whirl. Also, this falls is it's pretty incredible. If there's more rain, I bet it's more full, but come on. Not bad. just got done doing all the shots. I mean, it was an incredible hike, so yeah, can't wait to do more hikes while on the island of Kauai. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.